So my name is Dr. Gaurav Thukral and I am the co-founder and president for HCAH. Well, behind me, you see this machine which is called G Gaiter. This is one of the first exoskeleton gaiter machine made in India, which reduces the cost of getting this machine from other parts of the world. What does it do? Well, it makes a patient walk 1,000 steps in 30 minutes. A patient who otherwise would be bedridden or would be walking with support or will need maybe 2 to 3 people to make him walk and still not walk that many steps. What it does is that when the patient moves these steps, the repetitions can be done amplified. This sends the signals to the brain, which also gets amplified. So this is a machine which leads to good heart function, good lung function, no pneumonias, no bed sores. And I'm very thankful to Gen Robotics to have made this innovation, which is going to change lives for millions of stroke head injury patients.